Weird animals can be found in every nook and cranny of our planet. Whether they look funny on the outside or simply have strange behaviors, weird animals are often the marvels of the natural world, showcasing abilities and evolutionary traits that baffled the scientists who discovered them, and continue to amaze us today. 10 strange living creatures in our video today. Subscribe to the channel and expand your horizons with us. Dugong. Dugongs are related to manatees and share some physical characteristics with their more well-known cousins. Unlike manatees, however, dugongs have flared tails that resemble dolphin tails. They are also known as sea cows because they use their large, downward-facing mouths to slurp seagrass off the ocean floor. Dugongs are considered by many to be the inspiration behind mermaids. Pacu. Technically not an ocean animal, Pacu are found in South American rivers and lakes. These omnivorous fish sport one very unsettling characteristic: human-like teeth. Pacu are relatives of piranhas, but grow to be much larger, weighing up to 88 pounds. They are often kept as pets, and are occasionally released into the wild, where they have the ability to become an invasive species. Pacu have an incredibly strong bite strength that can cause traumatic injuries when humans are bitten, although this is uncommon. Gharial. Another freshwater animal, gharials look like crocodiles, but are set apart by their long, thin snouts. These elongated jaws are lined with interlocking teeth. Male gharials can reach up to 20 feet long and possess something called a gara, a bump on their snouts that is not found on female gharials. Gharials have poor movement on land, so they mostly move in water, where they hunt fish. Vietnamese long-nosed snake. The Vietnamese long-nosed snake is also known as the rhinoceros snake for its long, pointed nose. The nose, although unusual, doesn't seem to serve any particular evolutionary purpose. These rat snakes are non-venomous and dine primarily on small rodents. They live in subtropical rainforests and prefer to live in valleys with streams. Glass frog. Glass frogs have green backs that help them blend in with plant life, but many species also have abdominal skin that's almost completely translucent, revealing the organs within. It's possible to watch a glass frog's heart pump blood throughout its body. There are more than 120 species of glass frog. They are tree dwellers that live in a range of forests, from tropical lowland forests to mountain forests. Gerenuk. The Gerenuk is a long-necked antelope with an unusually small head and large ears. Male Gerenuks also have distinctive lyre-shaped horns. Gerenuks stand on their hind legs to strip buds and vegetation off trees and shrubs. They are very social, vocal creatures and communicate with one another by buzzing, whistling, and bleating.
Babirusa. Babirusas are also called deer pigs for the unique horns that curve from their mouths and snouts. These tusks aren't as strong as they look and don't seem to be used in combat. In fact, scientists still aren't totally sure why babirusas have tusks in the first place. When babirusas fight, they stand on their hind legs and box with their front legs. Babirusas have long, thin legs that are reminiscent of a deer. Their canine teeth grow continuously throughout their lifetimes. Sunda Colugo. Sunda colugos are found throughout Southeast Asia. They are sometimes known as Sunda flying lemurs, despite not being lemurs and not being able to fly. Sunda colugos only appear to fly using the gliding membrane that stretches from their necks to their toes. Although the membrane is useful for leaping from tree to tree, it makes the Sunda colugo more or less useless on the ground. They don't walk well but can glide a distance of up to 328 feet 100 meters. Markhor. The markhor's large, twisted horns are its main identifying feature, but it also sports a long coat and very wide hooves. The name markhor means snake eater, perhaps because they easily kill snakes by stomping on them. The name is also significant to local folklore in the markhor's native habitat, where markhors were believed to have special abilities from their twisted horns that allowed them to kill snakes. Markhors are the national animal of Pakistan. There are less than 1,500 remaining markhors in the wild. Lyrebird. Lyrebirds are ground-dwelling birds that live in Australia. Their curved tail feathers, which resemble the shape of a lyre, are displayed during courtship rituals and give these birds their name. Lyrebirds are able to mimic any sound, including the vocalizations of other animals and the sounds of machinery and human life. During peak breeding season, lyrebirds sing for up to 4 hours a day. Nature is the best artist in the world. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel and expand your horizons with us.